so I'm going to divert for just a moment. I tell you, part of me, after having done this for a couple of decades, part of me goes, guys, it's the story of the week. It'll be something that we forget in the future. Move on. What's your thought on how people should really interpret? What does it matter to them?
Yeah. Well, I mean, great question, Janet. Sorry for stealing your thunder a little
Oh
bit. I've done
no,
this so
you're
many times. I
good.
kind of know what you're going to ask me.
That's right.
Guys, that's great. But kind of similar to what I just said. I mean, if you're in these individual stocks, of course you care about what they're doing. I don't want to
Sure.
minimize that. But for your average investor, my goodness gracious, I know we're going to talk about earnings soon. Earnings are really strong. The economy is coming back. The Fed is still there. Those are the things longer-term investors should remember. Also, I'm going to paraphrase it, the old quote by J.P. Morgan, that you make the worst decisions when you see your neighbor getting rich. Okay, that's what happened. So many people saw GameStop going up and all these things going up. They said, "Oh, I got to buy it." Guys, it was down 30%, then 60% in 2 days. I mean, so that's what happens when you get a rush and everyone kind of gets excited at the exact wrong time. So, some people might want to live in that world, but I think for longer-term investors, don't live in that world and have a long-term goal in mind is the most important thing.